How to change ActiveCampaign password. If you want to change the password on your ActiveCampaign account, then here's how you can do it. Open up a preferred web browser and make sure that you are logged into your ActiveCampaign account. Once you're inside the main home page, click on the Settings button from the left-hand side menu. Once you open up the Settings menu, make sure that you're inside the Accounts tab and then scroll all the way down until you find this password text box. Type in your current password in the first text box. If you want to change into a new one, simply enter your password that you are currently using for your account in the first text box. After you are done, head over to the new password field and type in the new password you would like to change to. After you are done, click on Save Settings, and you'll be able to change your password for your account. Be redirected to the main login page for ActiveCampaign. Here, go ahead and enter your username or email, followed by the new password that you just changed to. Finally, after filling in your details, click Login, and you'll also need to enter the verification code sent on your email. Simply open up your email inbox, open up your ActiveCampaign inbox with a verification code in it. Copy the code, paste it into the verification code text field, and click on Verify. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to get access back on your ActiveCampaign account with the new password. That is how you can easily change your password for ActiveCampaign. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.